Welcome to my YouTube channel. The name is remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, the co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. Yeah. So on today's episode, I found right now I have the evidence that shows that wodemaya fake his account hacked. I know a lot of people will be saying, "Oh, this guy cry like he hates wodemaya." Charlie, one day wodemaya and Jamie. I like the guy so much, but we tell guys we have to go deep through this issue to make our viewers feel that this and this is happening in the YouTube industry. Let me say content creating industry. Yeah. So finally I chat. So finally, I have a little conversation with a YouTube team. Let me say an ex-YouTube team member. Yeah, he's a former YouTube team member. Yeah. So I chat him, seeking for inquiries about a hacked YouTube account. How long do it take to retrieve it or restore the account back? So we chat a lot, and he gave me a lot of information concerning wodemaya's issue. So before we go straight to the chat between me and the YouTube guy, like I want to pinpoint some information that he gave to me and explain it further so that we all have a little knowledge about this before we read the message. So first of all, he told me that YouTube will never or can never retrieve your account within 2 days, because when you lodge a complaint to YouTube that your account has been hacked, like to the support team will also forward your complaints to the retrieve team so that they will work on it and send you Gmail. So it will never be possible that you will get your account back within 2 days. Even if you have 25 million subscribers, you will not get your account back within 2 days. And he also told me that you can also hide your account. You can also hide your account. You can also hide your own account. So I can hide my account right now, and let's say 2 days later, then I'll restore my account back, and it'll be like, oh, my account was hacked, and right now I have my account back. Something like that. So he told me that you can hide your account and restore it back when you need to restore it back. That's what he told me. And secondly, on my third point, he told me that YouTube, a lot of big YouTubers always fake some things like this to bounce back so that their views will go forward. Do you notice something? Wodemaya views were dropping, so he needs to do something to get our attention so that like the views will rise again. So I've been recently in the videos he have been releasing recently have been gaining some attention and things. So that's how the YouTube works. You have to seek attention for your channel to grow high. So we talk a lot, and I'll show you all the screen recording of me and him, our chat and things. I'll show you the evidence and things. So before I will show you the evidence, I want to make it clear so that people will know what all this is about. And before YouTube can terminate your YouTube account, you have to go against their community guidelines 3 times. You have to receive 3 strikes before your YouTube can be terminated. So do you notice something? Like after I did a video about wodemaya lying about the account hacked, all of a sudden the account got missing. It vanished from YouTube. And a lot of people were doing some content like, oh, like Wodemaya's account has violated YouTube policy, so they have terminated the account finally. No, you can hide your own accounts. And one thing, let me tell you something. If a video violates YouTube guideline policy, the video will automatically be removed. Yeah, YouTube will remove the account, the video that violates. Let's say you have done a video that cause harm to YouTube viewers and things. YouTube will put a strike on the video, and the video will not be visible to the viewers again. But in this case, all the 3 streaming live on Wodemaya's accounts were still available, and all of a sudden the accounts got vanished. So that's why I said there's something smelling. Yeah, is it a thing? I'm not smelling fishy, but we'll get to the roots of all these things. That's why I told you that, like, me, I love Wodemaya. I like Wodemaya. Wodemaya is like a godfather to me. But these things, we are all learning. Is it a thing? I don't dislike him. I like him. But we are all learning from these things. That's why I said, no matter what, I'll get the evidence for you all to see. So we'll go straight to the chat, then we'll talk about it later. The names remain the same. I'm kind of rhymes. So catch me same time on the next episode. So after you watch all these screenshots, we'll talk about this tomorrow. Talk about this tomorrow. Thank you. Peace out.